Hey everyone, Imran from Car Sound Security. I've got this BMW 4 Series 2014 in. We've just done a digital speed cluster upgrade on it. It's been really popular. Let me run through this with you with the help of Luke. So this is the old cluster that was actually, you know, in the car. Let me pop that down there. I'm going to jump in and just show you it. So that's the new cluster. Looks absolutely amazing. Luke's just going to run through the features on it and you know what you can do on it. So over to you, Luke.
So the way you control it is through the BC button. You're going to press and hold, which is an enter, and then every time you tap, it's going through obviously different sections. So at the moment we're on the themes, so I'm just going to go through. We've got comfort, press and hold, and then changes the comfort. If I change to Sport Plus, it goes to the new M style steering. And then obviously with this you get colour coordination between Eco, Sport and Comfort. So if I'm on Eco, you'll see it's blue and it says Eco Pro down at the bottom. If I go to Comfort, it changes to orange, and if I go to Sport, red, and then Sport Plus obviously it goes to red, but obviously gives all your traction control off and stuff. So through here, I'm just going to press the return button, and on the side here, and I'm going to go to general setup. Anything on here, you can change your brightnesses, you can change from turning the colours obviously to red, blue, green, orange, all of that stuff you can turn off. You've got speed warnings. At the moment this one is set, so as soon as the customer wants to go 75, he's going to ping up and make a little pinging noise just to let him know he's going over the speed limit. So if I'm going to press and return this one, I can then go down to and what it does is now I'm at the top. So along the top here, if I change to trip, I can get up all my trip distances. Obviously from here I can get on my economy, which is on there. So if I press Eco, you'll see it'll bring me up a little green circle, tells me how good my Eco is, which is pretty alright. And then
how does it correspond with the factory when you're changing over in terms of mileage and cruise control?
As you can see, obviously it's gone from the original mileages, it automatically cancels it out. Obviously it does come in kilometers an hour, but obviously in a simple setting it changes from metric to imperial, because this country will use imperial, and it will go over to your miles, and everything will change from kilometers an hour to miles per hour. Most of this will now go to a digital speedo, so on some of them you normally get your little small digital imprint on the bottom. This now gives you a big version of it. On multiple, all of the themes, you get a digital side to it as well. So on real-time info, if I click on that, it gives me all my oil temps, coolant temps, so on and so forth. It gives you all your fuel till empty, so on and so forth. It gives you that down on the bottom as well. If I go to information now, and I was to go to service info, it gives me still all of my service, whether I need to change my oils, oil filters, so on and so forth, all up on there. So as you can see, I'm on oil and oil filter. On the right hand side now, it's giving me the miles till I need to get it changed, and it will also ping it up. If I go to front brake, it's changed it, picked it up in 37,000, it needs it, so on and so forth, all through the settings.
So all of it basically transfers. And also not to forget that we get a lot of people asking you know, if they ever want to sell the car, then we can put it back to you know, back to standard, because we give all the original clocks back to the customer. So you know, as and when, or if you'd like to get it changed back, then we can get it checked back. So Luke, anything else to add? You're all done?
No, that's it, all done.
Well, thanks for watching, and if you're interested in getting an upgrade like this done, get in contact with us on the details below. Thank you.